Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. And welcome back. Today is lesson number 6. आज हम सीखेंगे colors names, rango के नाम. That's what makes our world so bright and beautiful. Can you tell me what colors I've got here? Well, that's exactly what we're going to be learning today. चलें शुरू करते हैं आज का सबक. Let's begin today's sabak. Colors name in Urdu, rango ke naam. Orange, narangi, narangi. Blue, neela, neela. Green, hara or sabz, hara or sabz. Yellow, peela, peela. Red, surah or lal, surah or lal. Purple, jamni, jamni. White, safed, safed. Pink, gulabi, gulabi. Black, kala, kala. Brown, bura, bura. Golden, sunera, sunera. Peela, neela, lal, bura, safed, gulabi, narangi, jamni, sabz. Well done! That's all for today. Now you know your rango ke naam. Keep on practicing and I'll be back with more videos. Please like and subscribe. And now it's joke time. Where do cows go on a Friday night? Do you know? To the movies. Allah Hafiz. Bye. Hello friends. Today I'm playing with Play-Doh. Can you tell me what kind of animals I've got here? Yes, I have got guinea pigs. This one is orange, narangi, and this one is purple, jamni. I've got all sorts of colours here. This one is surah, this one is narangi, this one is peela, this one is jamni, this one is gulabi, and this one is safed. I'm going to make a rainbow and show it to you. I will make a rainbow out of these colours. Let's see how good it will be. We don't have all the colours in the rainbow, but I'm using all the colours that we have in the set. It will still look pretty. I'm using most of the common colours that you can find in a rainbow. Do you know what a rainbow is called in Urdu? It is called koze koze or danak. Koze koze or danak. Now you repeat it with me. Koze koze or danak. So, next time if you see a rainbow, remember what it's called in Urdu.